Thanks to the sponsor of today's video, Glow. Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm sharing a DIY gift guide. These gifts are perfect for anyone in your life who like to DIY, do woodworking, or build anything in general. And if that's you, then this is the perfect video to send to your significant other or sister, brother, family, whoever it may be, if you need to give them some ideas of what to get you for Christmas. There are so many good holiday sales happening right now. Black Friday's coming up. A lot of these items are on sale and you can find all of them linked in the description below. I have so many great gifts to share with you, so let's get into it. Oh, and if you're not already subscribed, please help me get to 200K and hit that subscribe button below. Okay, so first up we have this bench cookie kit from Rockler. Unfortunately, it's not the kind of cookies that you eat, but these are perfect to set your project on. It has some nice grips on it so your project won't slide around if you're sanding or routing. I'll show you a few of the different attachments. So in the box here we have some risers so you can screw them right into the bench cookie and it will give your project some nice height so it's easier to work from. It also comes with these finishing cones that you can just snap right onto the bench cookie, and these are great for if you're painting or staining any project. This kit is on sale right now on Rockler's website. The kit comes with 8 bench cookies, 8 finishing cones, 8 extra large risers, and 4 standard risers. I reach for these bench cookies almost every project, especially when finishing projects with stain or paint. The finishing cones raise the project off the table, giving access to all the edges and corners with minimal surface contact. The risers are great because they allow clearance underneath for bits and blades. These bench cookies are definitely a good product to keep close by in the workshop. Next, we have this heavy-duty bucket jockey from Husky. I don't know how many times I've thrown tools in this bucket and lugged it around the house trying to reach all the tiny bits and tools that fall to the bottom. I thought this was the coolest invention. Everyone has a 5-gallon bucket laying around. Now, with 30 different pockets, you can store all of your tools and accessories in an organized manner. For only $12, this bucket organizer is perfect to use when I'm working on a small house project or when I have to run over to do a quick project at the neighbor's or a family member's house. Next up are the safety glasses. You can find these on Amazon. I think a 3-pack was $12, but they're a little more stylish than your average safety glasses. These safety glasses come in all sorts of color combinations. I would say this style is more for the ladies. I should have Devin model them so you can see what they look like on a guy, but they're anti-fog and they have side shields, so they're extra protective. Like I said, you can buy a pack of 3 for about $12, so it's a great deal. Another great gift to give any special person in your life is the gift of a clean home using Glow, who is also the sponsor of today's video. Glow is a 5-star house cleaning service with super affordable prices. Their online booking capabilities allow you to instantly schedule a cleaner in your area for a special occasion, party, or regularly to help take something off your plate. To schedule a cleaning, simply go to Glow's website and choose the day/time you're looking for, the duration of your cleaning, and then you'll see all the available cleaners. I really appreciated that you can browse reviews of the background checked cleaners so you can choose the perfect cleaner that's right for you. You can schedule as quickly as this week or get something on the calendar for next month to check it off your to-do list early. The holidays are coming up and we're hosting friends and family, so we thought this is a perfect time to try out their services and to give our home a deep clean that it desperately needs. Our home looks amazing, it smells so clean, and this is one huge thing that I can easily check off my list during this crazy holiday season. Take home cleaning off your plate by using HomeAglow. Head to homeaglow.com/Stephanie or scan the QR code to get your first 3 hours of cleaning for only $19. The next category is speakers or headphones. I personally love my AirPods for when I'm standing and I want some noise cancellation while listening to some music or a podcast. I also have an Echo Dot back here, which is nice for hands-free. If you're looking for a portable speaker, JBL has really great portable speakers that are heavy duty and long lasting. My dad has the extra large JBL speaker and I'll link it in the description below, but he brings that to all of his job sites, and that is definitely a great option if you're looking for something that is portable and very durable. These are the Apple AirPods Pro. I use these almost every day. They have a great noise canceling feature, so I like to use these when sanding or cutting. I'm always having these in with a podcast or music playing. For a hands-free speaker, this Echo Dot has been so convenient. I can tell Alexa to play music or a podcast, to look up weather, set timers, answer questions. The speaker has great sound quality too. I mentioned this JBL speaker as well. These portable Bluetooth speakers have super powerful sound. My dad has this JBL Extreme 3. He'll take this to his job sites to play music. This one sounds amazing. It has great bass and has 15 hours of playtime. This next gift is what I like to call the DIY starter pack. If you are just getting into DIY or shopping for someone who is just getting into DIY, then these combo kits are a great idea. This Ryobi combo kit is a $570 value, on sale for only $199. Otherwise, I recently did a video on the first 5 tools that you should buy as a beginner DIY. I started with a lot of Ryobi tools, which are inexpensive and great for DIY, but I recommend you do research on the brand before you buy. If I had to get started with only 5 tools, it would be an 18 gauge brad nailer, a hammer or standard drill, a circle saw, a corded orbital hand sander, and a corded sliding compound miter saw. I will link the full video on my 5 beginner tools in the description below. Next, we have this temperature control smart mug from Ember. I was so excited to find this from Target. This is the last one they had left. I don't know how many times I've had to go into the house and reheat my coffee, so this mug is going to be a game changer. This temperature control smart mug has a built-in rechargeable battery with 1.5 hour battery life. It allows you to set an exact drinking temperature so your coffee is never too hot or too cold. This will maintain your chosen temp for 1.5 hours so your beverage stays perfect to sip. You can connect this right to your smartphone via Bluetooth, which allows you to set your perfect temperature. Next up is the OKeefes Working Hands Cream. I have had the lotion for a long time. I keep it stored in my desk drawer and out here in the workshop. They also have this balm, which I just tried, and it's amazing. These products are great for dry, cracking hands, and this would be a perfect stocking stuffer idea. Like I mentioned, I keep this lotion in my desk drawer, in the workshop, and in the console of our truck. Winter is fast approaching, so this is the perfect stocking stuffer to give anyone who suffers from dry, cracked hands. Next up is this handheld vacuum wand from Shark. There are so many times when I have small little messes and I don't want to drag out the shop vac, so this little vacuum has really come in handy. This handheld Shark vac was $129 and it's now on sale for $99. It's very lightweight and perfect to vacuum in any tight spaces. I like to use this when cleaning out drawers or cabinets, to vacuum up all the drywall dust that falls when drilling into drywall, to clean out tool bags, or even to vacuum up those tight spaces in the truck. I reach for this all the time and it's better than dragging out the big shop vac. The next product I have already set up on the side of my Husky tool chest, but it is a magnetic paper towel holder. Every workshop or garage needs paper towel for quick cleanup, and this paper towel holder is the easiest thing to install. This would also be a great stocking stuffer idea. For under $15, this is the perfect paper towel holder. I stuck it right to my Husky tool chest, but you could also attach it to a metal cabinet or refrigerator. It's a must-have for any workshop or garage. Next up, I have some gear from my favorite woodworking shop, Rockler. When I was at our local Rockler, I found this hat in the checkout line and I couldn't resist. It's the perfect ball cap. I also have their shop apron. I have had a hard time trying to find one that fits, but this one is very adjustable and it has so many great pockets. This shop apron has comfort fit straps, 17 pockets in a range of sizes from large hardware pouches to pencil pockets to hammer loops, and easy to adjust straps, perfect for the DIYer or woodworker in your life. Next up, it's not so much a product, but more so a recommendation, which is to shop small. The Saturday after Black Friday is Small Business Saturday, and it's the perfect opportunity to shop your local businesses, hop on Etsy. There are so many great small businesses to support on Etsy. You can find all sorts of fun gifts on Etsy. I've seen lots of customizable signs, custom brands, pocket knives with custom engraving, so many great ideas. Don't forget to support your local or online small businesses this holiday season.